Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can run Excel files on your Android device, step by step. And yes, it's possible, and I'll walk you through how you can do it the smart way. So Excel files are made for Windows, not Android, so you cannot run them directly. But with the help of emulators or compatibility layers, you can open some lightweight Windows program right on your phone. So first, you can go to the Play Store and you can download an app called InnoSetup Extractor. In here, you can just search for it and download to your and install it on your device. This one right here, so install it first on your phone. So this app can open simple install type Excel files and extract the files inside, useful if you just want to see what's in them or run extracted files. And for older games or software, you can use DOSBox Turbo, a DOS emulator for Android. Install it from the Play Store and then move your Excel file to your internal storage. Use basic DOS commands to launch the file inside DOSBox. And if you want to run more advanced Windows apps, you can download Wine for Android from their official website. Okay, so this is the InnoSetup Extractor. You can just open it on your phone, and in here you can just click on I understand, and you can just select the installer first, and you can just choose the Excel file and let the InnoSetup Extractor work their magic. So let's go back to the Wine for Android. So after you install the Wine for Android, it gives you a Windows-like interface, and you can just tap on the Excel file through Wine, and if the app is compatible, it will launch. But you need to keep in mind that this works best with older or lightweight Excel file. Don't expect big PC games or complex programs to run smoothly, but for tools, retro games, and some utilities, it's a great trick. And that's how you can run Excel files on Android. If you found this guide helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit on the thanks button so you don't miss more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.